Tuwai Munai, welcome. My name is Steve. I'm gonna continue those video we have been placing here for you in order to learn Kiluba. Today we'll talk. I'll talk about another proverb. Because Kiluba without proverb is not really Kiluba. So we'll come with the proverb, which we call Kinji. Today the proverb is this one. MPETA lekwa MULANDA. Lekwa MULANDA BAAPULANGA. MPETA lekwa MULANDA BAAPULANGA. Which means clearly that they borrow from the rich. Will they borrow from the poor? This means clearly that a rich man has many friends because they expect him to help them in time of trouble, when they have issues, they have problems going on. But a poor man, who cares about him? That's exactly what happens, and the Bible talked about it too, that a poor man, no one pays attention to that. But a rich man, that's in Proverb, I believe, a rich man, people has many friends. A rich man has many friends. So the elders thought about it, and they came up with this proverb: MPETA le kwa MULANDA BAAPULANGA. They will borrow from the rich, but from the poor, will they borrow from the poor? That's the question. And clearly, in which circumstance we can say that. And when you notice that people are ignoring you because maybe you don't have enough money, or you are too poor, and then they go somewhere else, you can tell your friend that, well, I'm not surprised. MPETA lekwa MULANDA BAAPULANGA. In other ways, telling them that you're ignoring me, you're going the other side just because you know the person has money. That's why you go there, and you are after his income. So just to let you know, this proverb can be used in many ways. So you will figure out. So we retain that MPETA le kwa MULANDA BAAPULANGA. Will they borrow from the poor? They borrow from the rich. Will they borrow from the poor? So that's the proverb today. I hope that will be helpful for somebody who's listening and retaining all those proverbs. And there are many proverbs. I will do my best to give at least one a week, and as we learning Kiluba. It's very exciting language and very polite. So I will be teaching again more words from Kiluba, and as we progressing. So Shalapo, bye, and we'll talk again. All right. God bless. Thank you.